Adobe Dimension offers the starter assets that can help you when doing a project. You can do just regular items, you can look at different material, you can look at different lighting, as well as just importing images. We're going to learn how to transform and select materials. Click here if you want to add or import your own content or look at new materials. Now we'll talk about the select tool. We're going to use this coffee cup here so we can show how to transform the shapes. We have an XYZ plane and you'll be able to move the red, green, and blue arrows to transform the shape. Right-clicking on the arrow in the toolbar will bring up this page. You'll be able to select, move, rotate, and scale the shape. All of the above will show when you use select. Using the 3D plane, you'll be able to move the shape. The arrows will move the shape, and on the left you'll see the XYZ where you can move the shape into those different directions. The boxes will scale the shape in the designated direction. The circles will rotate the shape in the given direction. Moving the middle point, you can move the shape away from its center. Going back to the select tool, right-click and click on Move. This will help us move the shape in various directions than on the regular select tool. Now, clicking on the rotate, you'll be able to see the different ways the shape will be able to rotate. The scale tool will provide different ways to scale the object. This was all done in selection mode, and now we can also add a new selection or subtract a selection. We will demonstrate this using the basic torus shape. We will just scale it a little bigger so we're able to see the difference. Going back to the select tools, we'll click on Add Selection. Doing this and clicking on both shapes will help you join them together to transform them. Clicking on the item and the subtract tool will delete the item from selection. You can only move the items grouped by selection. We will go back to the select tool and click on Group by Select. This will show that each item that's selected will be grouped together. By turning off Group Select, we can now move the coffee cup's lid, instead of moving the whole lid and cup together. Align to Scene will move the red, green, and blue arrows to its center. That's all for this video, so tune in next time to learn more about Adobe Dimension.